started. The first feature I'd like to review is a format of the proposal that allows you to display the proposed items, but without providing any pricing. This has been a repeated request from our users for a variety of reasons. Let's take a look at a few scenarios where such a format is quite useful. First, you may want to just provide an overall framework of the project and the types of merchandise that fits the design, but you haven't progressed any farther into the design process. The no pricing format provides a perfect mechanism to propose such items. So let's take an example here. If we look at one of our Hilson projects, we can see I have very generic items entered: table, chairs, etc. No real detail yet. I may have even included some pricing on that internally, and I have, just for my own upkeep of where I want the project to be progressing. I've got my budgeting in there, I've got my total estimated price, etc. But I just want to provide the framework to the Hilsons for the wine cellar. So I can use our new proposal format, the no pricing format, by going to our proposal window, selecting the project in question, of course. Obviously, I wouldn't have any proposals at this point because it's very new into the project. I can click add. I'm going to change my name or phase here. Let's go ahead and make that something like, how about wine cellar proposed items? We'll leave today's date as that's just fine. But now I'm going to switch off of my default, the modern format, to the modern with no pricing. Now, the no pricing option is only available in the modern format. That's the most popular format with both our new clients and our longtime users of Design Manager. Go ahead and tag all real quick. Let's go ahead and look how our proposal will appear. And notice again, I do have pricing entered for all of these items. But if we go to preview, we can see I'm just proposing the items themselves with the description, and you can see a very lengthy area for description, of course, and the quantity and unit of measure, along with all of the other traditional features I've incorporated in my modern format so far. Close and accept. So we're just displaying all of the items without any pricing. What's another scenario that this may come in handy? Well, at some point, the design process has progressed beyond the discussion of prices. At that point, there might not be any need to provide any reason for the client to second guess the expenditure. They've already agreed upon it, and we just want to show them a recap of the goods and services we're going to be providing to them. So let's switch projects, something a little deeper in the design process. We'll go to the Carter's Brigantine Beach Home, and let's go ahead and reprint our proposal 2 for the outdoor living area. Now you can see they're spending just under $5,000 on the furniture for the outdoor living area. All I want to do is provide them documentation of the wonderful goods they're purchasing from our company. So I'm going to reprint in this case. I'm going to change my style from the original modern again to the modern no pricing, and I'm going to leave the update style option selected. There's no need to communicate the prices at this point. I'll keep the pictures on there to really make a nice dramatic presentation. And here we go. So now I can see all of the merchandise that we're providing for the outdoor living area. We have an expanded description again, and I can see the pictures along with all of the descriptions themselves and the quantity and unit of measure again. And even you can notice there's no total region obviously listed here as well. So we're just allowing ourselves to present the goods that we've already purchased or are about to purchase for the Carters, and so they can see all the design concepts we have, and they just are going to love what's being presented for them without the pricing at this point. Okay, the proposal, modern format, no pricing, brand new feature requested time and time again, and our development team decided to implement it to satisfy those requests. And now you can see upon closing the proposal that I'm now using the modern no pricing format since I selected the update style while reprinting.